Hey investors! It's time for some more Dogelon Mars news. We're going to talk about why it's one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market right now, making its way towards Dogecoin. Now, how can you make money with crypto, but more specifically, how to make money with Dogelon Mars? Background on Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars is a new variant of Dogecoin that was created to address some of the scalability issues of the original Dogecoin. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain and has seen tremendous growth in its market cap over the past few months. Method 1. Trading. The first and most common method of making money with Dogelon Mars is trading. This involves buying Dogelon Mars at a lower price and then selling it at a higher price. It's important to stay up to date with the latest market trends and to have a good understanding of technical analysis to make informed trading decisions. Method 2. Holding. Another option is to simply hold on to your Dogelon Mars. As the market demand for the coin grows, so will its price. This can be a passive income source as you earn profits without having to actively trade. Method 3. Staking. Dogelon Mars also offers a staking program where you can earn rewards for holding the coin in a wallet and participating in the validation of transactions on the Ethereum network. This can be a great way to earn passive income while also supporting the network. Method 4. Mining. Lastly, you can also make money by mining Dogelon Mars. This involves using your computer's processing power to validate transactions and earn new coins as a reward. However, this method does require a significant investment in hardware and energy costs. Now let's talk about Dogelon Mars creating exciting new partnerships. Partnership 1. With exchanges. Dogelon Mars has formed partnerships with several leading cryptocurrency exchanges. This has made it easier for people to buy and sell the coin, and has increased its liquidity. This has helped to drive its adoption and increase its market cap. Partnership 2. With wallets. Dogelon Mars has also formed partnerships with several wallet providers. This has made it easier for users to store and manage their coins, and has increased its user-friendly appeal. This has helped to increase its adoption and make it more accessible to new investors. Partnership 3. With payment processors. Dogelon Mars has also formed partnerships with several payment processors. This has allowed merchants to start accepting Dogelon Mars as a payment option, and has increased its real-world use case. This has helped to increase its adoption and make it a more valuable investment. So there you have it, how to make money with Dogelon Mars and the partnerships that are driving the growth and adoption of the project. The crypto market is highly speculative and there are no guarantees, so always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more exciting crypto news. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.